the volume of the cube. Booklet page 61. The volume of the cube equals side times side times side. This is the rule of the volume of the cube. If I want to get the sides, I have the side 3. To get the side, if I have the sum of edges, it will be sum of edges over 12. If I have the perimeter of one face, to get the side will be equal perimeter of one face over 4. If I have area of one face, so the side will be square root area of one face. If I have total area, the side will be equal square root total area over 6. If I have the lateral area, the side will be equal square root lateral area over 4. If I have the volume, the side will be equal cubic root the volume. I have some rules to remember together. The number of small cubes equal volume of the big cubes over volume of small cubes. The cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. The cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Complete. Number 1. Letter A. The volume of a cube of side length 8 cm is what centimeter cube? But the area of one face is what centimeter squared. Okay, I want to get the volume and I want to get the area of the cube. To get the volume of the cube is equal side times side times side. So it's equal 8 times 8 times 8 equal 512 centimeter cube. But to get the area of one face, the area of one face of the square is equal to side times side. So it's equal 8 times 8 equals 64 centimeter squared. Letter B. The cube has 6 faces. They are all in the shape of square and they are equal in area. All the faces of the cube are in the shape of the squares and they are equal in area. A cube has 12 edges. They are all equal in length. Number 2, put right or wrong and correct the wrong ones. Letter A. The cube has 4 sides. Of course, it's wrong. The square has 4 sides. Or here I can say that the cube has 12 edges. Letter B. The cube is a cuboid of equal dimensions. This is right. The cube, it's the same as the cuboid, but it's of equal dimensions. As here, all the faces of the cube are in a square shape. In letter C, the volume of the cube with edge length 2 cm is 8 cm squared. Let's see, I have a volume of the cube, edge length 2 cm. So the volume is equal to side times side times side. Here the edge length, which is equal to the side, is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal 8. But it's 8 centimeter cube, not centimeter square. So this is the mistake here. This is wrong because here I have centimeter cube, not centimeter squared. Booklet page 62. Number 3, choose the correct answer. Letter A. The cube with side length 10 cm has a volume of. To get the volume of the cube, it's equal to side times side times side. So it's equal to 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000 centimeter cube. In letter B, the volume of the cube of edge 1 centimeter. Edge means side. So to get the volume of the cube, it's equal side times side times side equals 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1 centimeter cube. Number 4. Answer. Letter A. Find the volume of the cube of side length 6 decimeter. The volume of the cube is equal to side times side times side. So it's equal 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216 decimeter cube. In letter B, find the volume of the cube of base area 25 centimeters squared. Okay, the volume of the cube is equal side times side times side. I don't have here the side. I have the base area. So I have to use the side 3. To get the side when I have the area, the side is equal square root the area. Square root area يعني square root 25 equal 5 centimeters. So the side is equal to 5 centimeters. I want now to find the volume. The volume is equal to side times side times side. So it's equal 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125 centimeter cube. In letter C, find the volume of the cube if the sum of its edge length is 132 centimeters. Again, I want to find the volume. The volume of the cube is equal side times side times side. I don't have the side here. I have the sum of edge of the cube. So the sum of edges, to get the side from it, it's equal to sum of edges over 12. Side equals sum of edges over 12. The sum of edges here is 132. So 132 over 12 equal 11 centimeters. So the side is equal to 11 centimeters. To get the volume, it's equal to side times side times side equals 11 times 11 times 11 equal 1,331 centimeter cube. In letter D, find the volume of the cube of base area 100 centimeters squared. Okay, again, I want to find the volume. Volume equals side times side times side. I don't have here the side. I have the base area. To get the side from the base area, the side equals square root the area. So it will be equal square root 100 equal 10 centimeters. So the volume equals side times side times side. Here the side is 10 centimeters, so it's equal 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1,000 centimeter cube. Number 5, complete. The volume of the cube 1 meter side long. Here the side is equal to 1 meter, so the volume is side times side times side equals 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1 meter cube. The edge of a cube with volume 343 centimeter cube. Here the edge means the side. I want to get the side of the cube, and he gives me the volume 343. To get the side from the volume, it's equal to cubic root the volume. So the side or the edge is equal to cubic root the volume. It's equal to cubic root 343. In your calculator, you will find it 7 centimeters. In letter C, the volume of a cube of base area 144 centimeters squared. I want to get the volume. The volume is equal to side times side times side. I don't have the side, I have the base area. So to get the side from the area, side equals square root area. So it's equal to square root 144 equal 12 centimeters. So the side equal 12 centimeters. To get the volume is equal side times side times side, which is equal 12 times 12 times 12 equals 1,728 centimeter cube. Letter D. If perimeter of cube face equal 4 centimeters, then its volume. The volume of the cube is equal to side times side times side. Don't have here the side. I have the perimeter of the face. So to get the side from the perimeter, it's equal to perimeter over 4. So it will be equal 4 over 4 equal 1 centimeter. So the side is equal to 1 centimeter. To get the volume, it's side times side times side. 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1 centimeter cube. Booklet page 63. Letter E. If the area of the cube's face is equal to 1 centimeter squared, then its volume. To get the volume is equal to side times side times side. I don't have here the side. I have the area of face. So the side is equal to square root the area. So square root 1 equal 1 centimeter. The volume equals side times side times side equal 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1 centimeter cube. In letter F, the base area of the cube is 36 centimeters squared. Then its side is, I want to get the side from the area. The side is equal to square root area. So it's equal to square root 36 equals 6 centimeters. In letter G, centimeter cube is the unit of measuring the volume. Letter H. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Letter I. If the cube's side equals the side of an equilateral triangle with perimeter 9 cm, then the volume is equal. The volume of the cube is equal to side times side times side. And here he gives me that the side of the cube is equal to the side of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 9 centimeters. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to side times 3. So, to get the side of the equilateral triangle, or the edge of the equilateral triangle, it will be equal perimeter divided 3. So, it's equal 9 divided 3, equal 3 centimeters. So, now I got the side of the equilateral triangle, which is equal to the side of the cube. So, the side of the cube is equal to 3 centimeters also. To get the volume is equal to side times side times sides. 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27 centimeter cube. Letter J. If the sum of edges of the cube equal 24 centimeter, then its volume equals, the volume of the cube is equal to side times side times side. Here I don't have the side, I have the sum of edges. To get the side from the sum of edges, it's equal to sum of edges over 12. So here the sum of edges is 24. 24 over 12 equal 2 centimeters. So the side is equal to 2 centimeters. The volume is equal to side times side times side, equal 2 times 2 times 2, equal 8 centimeter cube. Letter K. If the edges of a cuboid are equal in length, the cuboid is called a cube, of course. If a cuboid, all its sides are equal, it will be a cube. If the perimeter of one face of a cube is 32 centimeters, then the cube's volume equal. To get the volume, it's equal to side times side times side. Here I have the perimeter of one face equal 32. To get the side from the perimeter, equal perimeter over 4. So the side equal 32 over 4 equal 8 centimeters. So the volume equals side times side times side equal 8 times 8 times 8 equal 512 centimeter cube. Booklet page 16. Letter M. The sum of the dimensions of the cuboid is 200 centimeters and the ratio between them is 2 to 3 to 5. Find the volume. To find the volume of the cuboid, it's equal to length times width times height. So I have to get the length and the width and the height of the cuboid to get its volume. Here I have the ratio between the dimensions. The ratio between the length to the width to the height is 2 to 3 to 5. So I have to get name, ratio, rate. The name, I have the length, the width, and the height. And the ratio between them is 2 to 3 to 5. And I have the real sum of the dimensions is 200 centimeters. So I have here, I will put a new column which is sum, and its real sum is 200 centimeters. So also I will get the sum of the ratio. The sum of 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now I have a complete column. To get the length, I will multiply 200 times 2 over 10 equal 40 centimeters. To get the width, I will multiply 200 times 3 over 10 equals 60 centimeters. To get the height, I will multiply 200 times 5 over 10 equal 100 centimeters. Now I get the length and the width and the height. To find the volume is equal to length times width times height equal 40 times 60 times 100 equal 240,000 centimeter cube. Number 6. We have an amount of sugar. Its volume is 27,000 centimeter cube. It's wanted to put it in a cartoon box. Show which of the following boxes is the more suitable and why. I have letter A, a cuboid with dimensions 45, 40, and 10 centimeter. Letter B, I have a cube, its internal edge length equal 30 centimeters. So which one is suitable for this amount of sugar? I will get the volume of the cuboid and I will get the volume of the cube and I will see which of them is suitable for this amount of sugar. First, let's get the volume of the cuboid. The volume of the cuboid is equal to length times width times height, equal 45 times 40 times 10, equal 18,000 centimeter cube. And then I will get the volume of the cube. Its edge length, or its sides, equal 30 centimeters. So volume equals side times side times side, equal 30 times 30 times 30, equal 27,000 centimeter cube. So which of them is suitable? The cube is suitable as the volume of the cuboid is less than the amount of sugar. Number 7. The total area of the cube equals 54 centimeters squared. Calculate the volume. To get the volume of the cube, it's equal to side times side times side. I don't have here the side. I have the total area of the cube. To get the side from the total area, side equals square root total area over 6. So it's equal square root 54 over 6, equal 3 centimeters. So the side equals 3 centimeters. To get the volume equals side times side times side, equal 3 times 3 times 3, equal 27 centimeter cube. Number 8. The total area of the cube equals 600 centimeters squared. Calculate its volume. Again, I want to find the volume of the cube. The volume is equal to side times side times side. Here I don't have the side. I have the total area of the cube, 600 centimeters squared. So to get the side from the total area, side equals square root total area over 6, equal 600 over 6 square root equals 110 centimeters. So this is the side. Now I can get the volume. The volume is equal to side times side times side. 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000 centimeter